Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the essentials. Windows Build supports APKs, and you have developer mode enabled. Open Microsoft Store and install APK Installer. This tool uses the Android subsystem to sideload. Once done, place the APK in a folder you can access easily. Make sure to note the exact file name and path. You do this because APK Installer needs a direct path to run the package installer, and because consistent file locations prevent permission errors later. You open APK Installer and pick Install APK, then navigate to your saved file. This tells the app what to package. Next, choose Target Context, install to your user profile, a virtual device instance, or specific storage. This matters for app permissions and updates. During installation, accept any Android permission prompts and keep an eye on the progress bar and logs so you can spot missing dependencies. If the installer shows warnings, read them. They guide whether to adjust settings or retry. Once the install completes, launch the app from start and test core features. You want to confirm permissions and network access. If the app crashes or fails sign-in, uninstall from settings and reinstall using APK Installer with a fresh virtual device option. Make sure developer mode remains enabled, and if problems persist, reset or reinstall the Windows Android subsystem. That often clears connector and compatibility issues. If you still see errors, check the installer logs for missing libraries and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.